Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Collect Form 16, Form 26 as PAN, Aadhaar, bank statements, and details of other income so you have every taxable item ready. Link PAN with Aadhaar and ensure your bank account is seeded for refunds. This avoids delays in processing. Check your Jio Finance account is KYC verified and link to the correct PAN before filing to enable autofill and e-filing features. Verify HRA, TDS, interest, and capital gains entries against bank and broker statements to prevent mismatches during the return submission. Open the Jio Finance app or website and select the ITR e-file module to begin a guided workflow that reduces errors. Choose the correct ITR form based on income sources. Review autofilled data from Form 26 as and correct discrepancies for salary, TDS, or interest entries. Upload supporting PDFs only if requested, then compute tax and apply eligible deductions like ADC and 24B, home loan interest. Authorize e-verification using Aadhaar OTP, net banking, or electronic verification code to complete submission instantly. Monitor refund status and intimation under the Jio Finance, Tax Dashboard, and Income Tax e-filing portal so you know when refunds or notices arrive. If you receive an intimation U/S143, 1. Compare Jio Finance return data with the notice and respond promptly, adjusting for any TDS or disclosure mismatches. Amend returns using Jio Finance within the permitted window if you discover errors after filing, and re-verify electronically to update the tax department. Keep digital copies of filed ITR and acknowledgments for at least 8 years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.